Bud. Morning, traders and traders. Y'all know it's dreycosting. Let me just get to it right away, yeah? So, yesterday, initially at pre-London, I said wanted some form of action here to push up, but when I got up in the morning, checked the calendar, right, at pre-London, we had the retail news came out. So, that was negative. So, for once I know that was negative, even our forecast was negative. That means I know that the pound was about to get weak. When I look at it, I start to reanalyze and I said to myself, okay, initially I had the structure here. And I was like, oh, so that makes no sense. So I zoom out a little bit more and I realized that I need to have the structure much more bigger like this, right? And then I put out the structure much more bigger than that. I saw this overall descending wedge, the potential it can break out to the upside here, where we can have a lot of free space, right? A lot of free space to work here. So from the whole impact with the news and all of that, right? I said to myself that here was, if that's the case, let me see if I can fill out the rest of the wedge right here, right? So I saw this candle close right here. See, just before the pre-London, right? Saw this candle close right here. I said, all right, being that candle close right there, we'll just look to continue down. All right, so that's all I did. Right, so I just look to continue down, right, and I cashed out quick. I realized some form of rejection was coming, so I just cashed out. I was about 3 pips away from TP. I just cashed out that, right? So read the vibes now. So the first reason I'm looking to go back up now, right? I started to look to go back up. So check the community tab, guys. Check the community tab, right? Check the community tab. Let me see if I can bring up the community tab for you guys. You need to check the community tab, because I post several things on the community tab through the day. You need to also follow me on Instagram, on the Involia app as well. Download the Involia app. Follow me on the Involia app, right? As well, because I'm gonna post several updates through the day on those platforms. So if you're not following me on those platforms, then you can't really get the update from the markups, right? So if you look at here, right, on my community tab, you realize I call out this play that will have some form of wedge, right? And I'm looking for a break, come back to this here, and to potentially look to continue up. I said that I cash this out right here, but if the market make this form of play right here, then I'm gonna look to continue up, right? So you have to be mindful of that, all right, guys? All right, so that's what I was looking at. Yeah. So I'll minimize this. So potentially, that's what's happening right here. That's what's happening right here, potentially. So let's just see it play out. So so the break, we came back here. We have some form of resistance right here, but we form support multiple time form support here. We feel that weak red candle closure. Now we're looking to also form support here as well. So let's see it play out. So potentially we can really to continue up to fill out this free space right here. And to look at the overall market structure, let me show you what I was looking at. All right, overall market structure again. Right, see, push down, low, shift, right, come back right here, create a higher low, and then we're looking to continue up. So that's the overall market structure. All right, so you have to just understand the movement of market structure. So though price was consolidating here, right, it's making lower highs and lower lows, right? Look at this, the lows were maintaining, right? Right? The lows were maintaining. But the fact that the lows were maintaining, it means that we're still like in an option and we can look to, to continue out and burst out. And right here, see, I'm saying it with no wedge. We have a respected support in a wedge. See, respected supports in the whole overall wedge, right? So this is the overall wedge right here, respected support. Yeah. And the last time it came down here, it did not break this low right here, right? So it did not break this low. It created a higher low. So that is why I wanted it to break the trend line, come back, retest form support to continue up. All right, so let's see potentially if we can go up right there. Yeah. So that's the reason why I took this sell this morning and potentially what I'm looking for to continue up. If you don't catch this trade initially right now, don't force it or anything like that. Because for me, I'm gonna wait for on Monday. I want this high to break right here. So you have a high right here. So I want this high to like break that high, create a higher high, and then come back, create a higher low, form support here. And more like Monday now, I'm gonna look to take the trade from here. If that's how GJ plays out, right, over the next couple of candles or that, right? So all right, so hope you guys continue to like these videos and all of that. Share to the friend, you know what I mean? And just subscribe if you're new to the channel and all of that, right? So just big up everybody, and I'll see y'all next week. Straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.